Okay guys, so the first things I got, the kids got metal detectors for Christmas, so I just got these shovels there at the dollar store, so they could do some digging with them, and I also got one of these. They had a lot of garden stuff there, gates, trellises, lots of things. They also had a good selection of Valentines. I was very surprised. These are from Paper Magic Group, and these were Mad Libs, and they have, let me just push the camera up a little bit. They have 16 Valentines with 16 pencils, which is really nice. And I got my kids, because they like to send a variety of different ones. This was an MLB set of Valentines, and these have a poster, 35 Valentines with poster, and I thought those were nice. And then they had Minion Valentines 16 with 16 erasers, so those I thought were nice. I got another package of the Mad Libs with the pencils, and then the Valentines, another package of the Minions with the erasers, so the kids can choose which ones they want to. And then of course 32 Avengers Valentines, like I said, so they'll have a good assortment of who they want to send what, because sometimes they want to do something different for girls. This is Star Wars 32 Valentines. So I was really surprised at how many they had. And then they also had 32 Dr. Seuss Valentines. So I thought those were cute. Okay, and then they had a good selection. They must have just got these in, because when the girl saw me checking out with these, she's like, oh my gosh, where did you get these? I have to run over there and get them. So they must have just put them out. These are those handmade cards. And this one says, I love you to the moon and back. Valentine's Day is the perfect day to tell you how much you're loved. Happy Valentine's Day. So this was really cute, I thought. And then this one, very cute. They had these, which I've never seen before, the little berry containers, and I figured these are nice because we have a lot of berry bushes in our yard, raspberry, blueberries, blackberries, and so the kids can take this out, or I can take this out when we're going to get some, you know, just when we want to get some here around the house. And, whoops, put them in there. They come out, we can strain them, and then they can be put back in there, so that was nice. And they had them in different colors. And then you saw the video, you'll see they had a lot of this stuff. This was a cute little canvas, and I just thought it was nice, and it kind of even goes in my kitchen. I don't know what I'll do with it. Has a little raffia string. And then remember when I found that bath print, and I told you it was the only one in my store. This store, I showed you on the video, had so many, but I like this one. So pick that up. I think I want to put that in my bathroom. Already got this little pouch. So there's owls on it. Thought that was cute. And then this little journal with a Volkswagen bus. I used to have one of those buses. But you can color it. I thought that was pretty cute and elastic. And then today is the day. I thought they had a good selection of journals. Got these little novelty glasses to put it on with. And I needed a package of envelopes. So I got those. Okay. And then they had paper trays, which I haven't seen before, and I need these for like under my printer to put paper in. They're stackable, so you can stack them up. And whoops, put your paper there. So they had those in different colors. Got these in purple. And then I needed some pots to some other mangoes that are coming due, and then I got 2 of these, which, hold on 1 second, which I thought were pretty nice. And they also had these in a silver. This is like a bronze. So I got 2 of those, 2 of those, and then for my sewing, I got this metal roller, so I'm going to bring that to my sewing room. And that's, I think, oh no, that's not it. They had these frozen headbands, these are cute. 2 of those. Let's see. Very cute. And wait till you see what I got at Walmart. You're going to freak out. Okay, we got these, this, okay, and then these ponytail holders. Now I think that's it. Okay, alright, so just please give us a thumbs up if you like Dollar Tree haul videos, and if you're looking forward to seeing what I got at Walmart, that's been great. Thanks for coming along with me. Please like, subscribe, and share the video. We really need to get a few more subscribers here. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.